hand.
Oh, okay, there. Okay,
Good.
that's
okay.
good.
Oh, yeah. I know. And this is a girl with cute eyebrows. We'll go to the next one. This is a boy. He's got some white on his belly and he's got 6 toes. And this one has some rotty markings and it's a boy. Also has some white on his belly and not 6 toes. And then this one is a girl, and she's got a little halfy nut on her nose and a little tiny white spot on the back of her neck. Uh-oh, I'm not sure. This might be a second time around. I'm not sure though. This is a girl. She looks like a Rottie. She has 5 toes. And cute little eyebrows. Okay, and then we're gonna take you. And then this one. It's white and black, and it's a girl. Yes. And look at her face. Yeah. Okay, and one more, I think. And we might not be at 7, we might be at 6, I don't remember. This one's almost all black. It's a girl, and she's got a little bit of white on her chest. Thank you, Nicole.
You're welcome.
Cool. And here's your mama. Awesome.
Much more turned out in there, but...